In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make an image landscape in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and find the image you want to make landscape. In my case, I'm going to make this image right here, landscape. Now, before I show you how to do it, I do want to mention that the process that you're going to have to follow depends slightly depending on how the image is displayed on your Wix website. So, for example, my image right here is part of a Wix gallery, which the process to change it is pretty simple. But it will be a little bit different compared to if the image was displayed like this as a background of a strip, for example. Now, if your image is part of a strip like this, I want you to click on the image itself, and then once the change background button is enabled, once the image is highlighted, or the column rather, click on change background, and then from the secondary window right here, I want you to click on this button right next to settings, and then that's going to open up this window right here. Now, if your image is part of a gallery, as it is in my case, what you need to do is click on the gallery to highlight it, and then a bunch of different options are going to appear right above it. Click on Manage Media, and then I want you to find the image they want to use. In my case, it's going to be this one right here. Click on it to highlight it, and then the way you know it's been highlighted is it's going to appear right here on the right-hand side. From here, I want you to click on Edit Image right below the image right here, and this is going to open up that same window that I showed you before. Except you want to click on crop and extend right here. And if you take a look right beneath, you see orientation. At the moment, it is set to portrait mode. And if you pay attention to all these kind of like orientations, or like resolutions, they will change if I click on landscape like this, as you can see. And from here, if you're happy with the way it looks, perfect. In my case, it is a square image by default. So in order to change the landscape, I'm going to use the 3x4 like this, and then I'm going to kind of like move the image upwards a little bit to show the face of the model right here. And then once I'm happy with my changes, all I need to do is press the save button right here, and that will automatically make my image landscape. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make an image landscape in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.